in the second half. More of that in just a minute. At the moment, clouds are massing up from the south. There are no fewer than two warm fronts there coming northwards on stiff southerly winds over the country. So as this low deepens in the next 24 hours, a lot of rain in northern and western districts in the next 24, 36 hours. High pressure keeping eastern districts probably predominantly dry. A lot of isobars on the chart tomorrow, so very windy indeed, especially in the west where the winds will easily touch gale force in exposed areas. And then this weather front crossing across the country on Tuesday, bringing a change to clear weather with sunshine and showers everywhere. But the front not getting too far away. In fact, another little wriggle developing over the Low Countries on Wednesday. That could bring some rain to the extreme southeast later on Wednesday. That low then running north-northwestward over the North Sea, and it could bring some rain to northeastern parts of England, we think, on Thursday, and that south same low could give some rain in the northern hours on Friday. Meanwhile, in the west, sunshine and showers, and the ridge of high pressure giving fine weather, I think, just about everywhere except for the northern hours on Friday, before this front spreads more light rain into the far southwest later on Friday, and at times over the weekend. On the radar, we can see much more than light rain, some fairly heavy showery rain showing up on the radar, and some more persistent rain now getting onto our radar screen in the southwest. So that's the picture at the moment. Still bright in the east, just one or two showers there. Outbreaks of rain, some of it quite heavy, spreading up into the southwest this afternoon, then spreading into many western districts during the course of the evening. Some very heavy rain is possible on the hills too, in the west particularly, staying mainly dry though into the evening in the east. In the north, the rain rather more showery, but even there clouding over as we go through the afternoon. Quite a stiff southerly breeze everywhere, and although the temperatures don't look too bad this afternoon, 14 in the west and 17 in the east, with that breeze it won't feel anything but rather cool. Tonight, a mild night, a windy night too in many places, with outbreaks of rain and drizzle, mainly I think in the north and west, where some is again going to be heavy, but a mild night everywhere. Absolutely no frost anywhere tonight, but cool in the northern glens there, 5 Celsius. Tomorrow, there we are, sunshine in the east, showery rain in the west, gale force winds at times, some showers, some heavy showers too, breaking out in the east during the afternoon as well. Brighter weather getting to the far southwest later on in the day. That brighter weather spreading across the whole country on Tuesday, with sunshine and showers developing in many places. The winds gradually dropping off on Tuesday as well. Light winds on Wednesday, sunshine and showers in many places, most of the showers in the west, but some more rain could get into the southeast later on in the day. That rain spreading to northeast England, we think, on Thursday, becoming colder at night, possibly a touch of ground frost in places late on Thursday. Then a fine day on Friday with lots of sunshine, some light rain in the far southwest later, but possibly some frost in places